Hello, trading is closed on April 15th, 2019. My last call says the pattern was the one with the early high and the late high. It tended to be a positive day. When it failed, that it would drop in a straight line. And I said I didn't have anything to indicate we would drop. It's kind of a nebulous call, not really a strong directional call. So I guess it was fortunate that we closed essentially unchanged. This is the pattern with the early high. It tends to close at the high of the day, and if not, lower prices usually print. And we do have a slightly lower target, but without the straight line move down, that's not enough to convince me. There's a very good chance that we are going to gap up and give the bulls what they need to continue the rally. During the day, MEJT said ultimately lower prices would print. Said the drop was false, that we'd retrace, and we did. Says this rally is false, gives us a target of 2902.37, most likely to print tomorrow. Well, tomorrow's pattern has the early high. It doesn't mean you won't gap down first. We'll just say there's a lower target, and if we gap up, it could well be out of reach. We'll cancel the call. It's just that this pattern, if you look back every 32 calendar days, you'll see if you don't have a tank, almost always, you're either going to close near the high or at least open over this high when the market resumes trading on Tuesday. So we'll just say that's the target. It's off the table if we gap up, and I think gapping up over this and trading over this high promptly isn't a lock. We'll just say it wouldn't surprise me. It's a high probability call, I think. Now there is some resistance at this high. It can start back 10 plus years ago, and you can see how these lines get hit right on the nose. So we are trading at resistance. To break over resistance like that, you really have to gap over recent highs. If you don't, I'd be suspicious that any rally over that line wouldn't stick. At least there'd be a retracement first, and then you could keep on going up. But there is resistance in this particular area. Well, looking for the pattern with the early high, targets here, decent chance we gap up and don't see it. That's today's call.